Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your weekend love bite by popular demand. I'm so glad you guys are enjoying this. I did it for fun, but it seems you guys are really enjoying it, so I think we'll keep it as a regular feature. I will try and school myself to put these out every Thursday nights, Friday mornings. I just hope I stay on schedule. I'm going to try. And yes, let's get on with it. Let's see what's coming up for Sagittarius for this weekend. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send us the messages they need to hear the most for this weekend. Thank you. Sagittarius, this is for the weekend of the 4th to the 6th of September. Okay? Okay, let's begin. So, my subscribers know about this reading. My newbies, this is going to be a tiny mini read, just 3 cards each, for how you're feeling, how your person's feeling, and what can we expect. Of course, your regular readings are coming up also on Monday. So if you're not a subscriber yet, do join us. We're a little Omkara family here. And join us. We welcome you in. Before I open your card, Sagittarius, I'm going to take an angel blessing card with you as well. So let's see what's there for my Sagittarius for this weekend. Generosity. Okay, this card, Sagittarius, basically I read up on this. This basically is not, being generous to everybody else. That of course you are. But apart from being, giving your time, energy, resources to other people, Spirit is saying it's time to be a bit generous to yourself as well. So I think this weekend, Sagittarius, try and take some time out for yourself, pamper yourself, give yourself some love. I've always, when I saw this card for the first time, I thought, oh my God, maybe I have to do more or give more of myself. Till I read the booklet it came with, and it specifically said, it's time to be generous with yourself. So Sagittarius, if we've been working hard and doing a lot of, loving and giving to other people, it's time to do some self-nurturing for yourself. I think, yes, you look feeling a bit depleted right now because you've spent too much energy being a bit stressed out, maybe at home, doing things for others or whatever. So just take some time out if you can on this weekend, even an hour or two. Go for a walk or, order yourself an ice cream or something. Do something which is nice, which you love to do. Just put aside a couple of hours just for yourself. So let's see, let's open your card. Knight of Cups in reverse, Ace of Wands in reverse, and the Four of Cups in reverse. So it seems there was some rejection here, Sagittarius. You are feeling a loss of passion right now, maybe feeling a bit sad, feeling a bit depressed. Maybe there was a romantic offer which went away, it didn't really, pan out the way you wanted it to. You're not interested right now. Let's see your other person. Strength in reverse. Making a choice of not having a new beginning with this person. Yes, there's some rejection going on, Sagittarius, in your life. Maybe you're rejecting somebody. You're no longer wanting to, have anything to do with them anymore. Even if they're coming towards you with an offer, you're rejecting it. Losing strength. This relationship seems to be losing strength, and not just losing strength. I think, Sagittarius, you yourself are making a very firm decision here. With the Lovers in reverse, this is a decision card. And when it's in reverse, that means a decision has already been made. So you've made this decision to, get rid of somebody in your life which is not really serving your best interest. And you no longer are showing your love, compassion or nurturing towards this person. And you don't want to have any fresh new beginning with them. Let's take some clarifiers, Sagittarius, before I open your mutual cards. What's this Knight of Cups, Spirit? Maybe there was no offer for anything long-term here, Sagittarius. Things were not really proceeding the way you wanted them to have anything long-term, stable. And I think you're putting this to rest now. Yes, you're moving away from this person or the situation into calmer waters. this situationship that you've been in has been a bit turbulent for you, and maybe there were a lot of broken hearts here as well. But I see you this weekend, Sagittarius, making a firm decision to mend your broken heart and move to a calmer space in your life. You no longer want to move ahead with any passion towards them. You're looking for a fresh new beginning for yourself, where you can have happiness. Like you want this, everybody wants the 10 of cups. You don't want something that's going to be wishy-washy, or people, who come to you with love offers but are not stable. So I think you're putting a halt to this, Sagittarius, this weekend. You are not accepting, offering, nothing. Okay? You're rejecting somebody. What's the Strength card in reverse, Spirit? Oh, so I like the way this card flipped and flipped over. Yes, this was a decision that you were finding very difficult to make, Sagittarius. You've been pondering over this, and this was a decision which was very, very hard to make. And but now I see you've made that decision. This weekend you are 100% sure of that, of this, that you don't want to move ahead in anything fresh and new with this person anymore. So a card for the Lovers in reverse, Spirit. Card for the Lovers in reverse. Clear communication or clear decisions are being made here, Sagittarius, that now you're not confused anymore either. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Oh my God, look at these decisions being made. Wow, Sagittarius, you've really got, you've got your sword up high. Look at this. Very clear on your decisions now, that no more, I was confused earlier, but now I'm no longer confused. I've made a decision here and I'm not moving forward. Rejecting somebody who was basically a flirt here and never offered you anything that would ever go the long distance. One more card, Spirit, for the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, many secrets have come out, Sagittarius. Maybe you were with somebody and some secrets came out, and that left you feeling very drained and emotional, right? You felt a lot of burden. You felt this relationship is giving you more back pain and stress and tension and heaviness in your life than joy. Okay, so that's the reason you're deciding to end this chapter totally. So now let's see your mutual energy, to see is there anything we can expect. I don't think so, because I think somebody has pulled back their love now, no longer offering it. But if you need a personal reading, Sagittarius, I'm open to them. You can send me an email at omkaratarot@gmail.com. It's down there in the description box. Do mention your country in the subject box. Seven of Pentacles, Page of Swords, and the Two of Pentacles in reverse again. Okay, this card has come in twice now. Yes, you are taking stock. Both of you are taking stock of what is the investment that has been put in. How somebody was very controlling maybe in this relationship. Maybe was being a narcissist, trying to play mind games with you. This weekend, I think, Sagittarius, you're taking stock of all that. And you realize that this person left you feeling depleted. Okay, this was a very toxic kind of a relationship which made you lose your own power. There is somebody maybe who's still stalking you, or maybe you are still keeping an eye on them, but I don't see you, Sagittarius, working towards them, because now you've dropped the ball on this person. So Page of Pentacles, Spirit. Yeah, this person is maybe still keeping an eye on you. They are maybe still hoping that their Ace of Wands can be upright and they can come towards you with some passion. But yes, they want to have, maybe still, they see you as this Empress and they maybe want to have some growth with you. But Sagittarius, here you are dropping the ball here. You're no longer juggling. You're no longer confused. You are now setting off to your own fresh new beginning. No longer, even involved in what this person wants or doesn't want. You've made up your mind. You're no longer going to stick around for anyone who's not going to offer you 100%. So anything else, Spirit, for this Fool and this Two of Pentacles? Ooh. Yeah, you've got your guard up now, Sagittarius. You are blocking this person out of your life. It's over and out. And very soon, you are going to move ahead in your brand new journey and find fabulous new things that are going to come your way. So look forward to your next week's readings. Sagittarius, if this is over and out, let's see what's coming up new for love for you. Okay? And don't be upset. You seem a bit upset and angry here as well. So chill out, be generous to yourself. No wonder this card came out, Sagittarius. It's time to give yourself some self-nurturing, some self-love. You've been very brave to come out of something which was toxic. Okay? It's time to be kind and good to yourself. Give yourself a pat on your back and a treat. Love and light. Take care, and I'll see you next week. Namaste to all of you.